Welcome to Robot Hire, your front row seat to the cutting edge of robotics. On this show, we dive into the latest robot news.
Welcome to Robot Hire, your daily source for the freshest updates in the world of robotics. I'm your host, here to bring you the latest developments from the past 24 hours. First on our list, a breakthrough in environmental robotics. A new ocean cleaning robot has been deployed in the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. Developed by a team of marine engineers and environmentalists, this robot, named CleanWave, is designed to autonomously collect plastic waste from the ocean. CleanWave uses AI to identify and target high-density areas of plastic debris, making it incredibly efficient in its mission. Early reports indicate that the robot has already removed several tons of waste, marking a significant step forward in the fight against ocean pollution. In the agricultural sector, a new robot called AgriBot has been introduced to tackle the challenges of precision farming. AgriBot is equipped with cutting-edge sensors and AI to monitor soil health, plant growth, and moisture levels in real time. What sets AgriBot apart is its ability to autonomously plant seeds, apply fertilizers, and even harvest crops, optimizing the farming process from start to finish. Farmers using AgriBot have reported increased yields and reduced resource use, making it a game-changer in sustainable agriculture. Meanwhile, in the hospitality industry, a robotic chef named RoboCook is making waves at a high-end restaurant in New York City. RoboCook can prepare a variety of gourmet dishes with precision and consistency that rivals top human chefs. The robot uses AI to adjust cooking times and temperatures based on real-time data, ensuring perfect results every time. Diners at the restaurant have been impressed not only by the quality of the food, but also by the novelty of having their meals prepared by a robot. In the education sector, a new teaching assistant robot named EduBot has been deployed in classrooms across the country. EduBot is designed to help teachers by handling routine tasks such as grading papers, organizing classroom materials, and even leading small group discussions. The robot's AI is capable of adapting to different learning styles and providing personalized feedback to students. Teachers have praised EduBot for freeing up their time to focus on more critical aspects of teaching, such as lesson planning and one-on-one student support. Finally, in robotics research, a new study has revealed that robots can be trained to develop emotional intelligence. Scientists at a leading university have successfully programmed a robot to recognize and respond to human emotions with a high degree of accuracy. The robot, named EduBot, can detect subtle emotional cues in facial expressions and voice tones, allowing it to offer appropriate responses such as empathy, encouragement, or even humor. This development could have significant implications for the future of human-robot interactions, particularly in fields like customer service, healthcare, and personal companionship. That's all for today's episode of Robot Hire. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for your daily dose of robotics news. Until next time, stay curious and keep an eye on the future.
We hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, make sure to like, rate, and review. We'll be back soon. But in the meantime, hit the website at robothire.com. See you next time on Robot Hire.